Okay, so today I found that I needed to explain the different models that are available in ChatGPT and what situation would you pick these models? And it's not real clear unless you go do some research. And so what I'm going to do is let's ask ChatGPT to help me explain that, and then we'll create a little presentation that we can share maybe in a slideshow. So here's what we're going to do. All right, so I'm going to hit this record here. So here's what I need your help with. I need you to help me list out each of the models available in ChatGPT and what are they, what use case are they? How do I decide which one to use in what scenario? But I need this to be put in like simple, easy, clear language that tells me what the model's for, why it's, what situation or example it would be useful in, why that's important, and what's a quick win in that situation. So give me a list and follow that, and then we'll go to the next step. So we're going to let that process. That's so much better than typing. All right, so now it's coming up with the explanation of each model. Yeah, so this doesn't, so I need to be more clear. Oftentimes when you give a prompt, you don't get what you want, you weren't clear enough, like in this case. So here we go. Okay, so I wasn't clear. I need you to list out what's GPT 4.0, what's it for, give me a scenario that I should use it in, why it's important, and what's the win, a quick win, an example. Then for O3, what's the difference? Why O3? What use case? Give me an example why it's a win. Same with O4 Mini, O4 Mini High, GPT 4.5, and GPT 4.0 Mini. In that case, so in the same format, we're going to use these in slides, presentation slides, and I need to explain those better. Okay, these are better. So we're seeing here O4, the most advanced public model, fast, smart. You want quality and nuance. You're planning a client presentation. Why it matters. 3.5 is faster, simpler, uses less memory. 4.0 Mini, cheaper to run, a bit less capable, but still very good. Mini High, okay. All right. So would you like this turned into slide bullets? Yeah. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to ask it. Now we just want to add a complement. We're going to put these in a slide. And I want a complementary image for both. But usually when I'm trying to get creative assets done in ChatGPT, it's frustrating. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the model from 4.0 to O3. O3 is great for writing prompts for the creative stuff. And here's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to copy this one. And then I'm going to say, okay, here's what I want you to do. I want you to review the slide and then write a prompt to create an image for this slide for model 4.0. Okay, then I'm going to paste that in. So we gave it the exact explanation of the slide, and now we're asking it to write a prompt to create a matching image that would complement this slide. Then I'm going to copy this. I'm going to change models back to 4.0. And then I'm going to just click the create image aspect. Let's see what happens. So it's wanting to create a futuristic AI advisor. So it's highlighting the strengths of the fountain pen, writing, chess, strategy, coding, and research. So here I'm going to give it feedback. This is confusing here. So I think these aren't obvious enough. We need them to be a little more simplistic. And for some not in the know, they may not pick up on the writing strategy with the chess piece, etc. So I think it needs to be more obvious. So write a prompt. Whoops. Write a prompt for 4.0. And just make it more clear what these, instead of expecting people to connect the dots. All right, so here's a prompt. We're going to change our model back to 4.0. We're going to put the prompt in here. And this time I'm not going to hit create image and see what happens. Okay, so this is better. Immediately connects the dots. It's fast, it's smart, it's context savvy. This is excellent. So me not being a creative, this is perfect. Me not being an expert prompt writer for a image creation tool, this is excellent. So now, then I would follow this format. I'm going to give it, all right, that's excellent. So I'm going to come back I'm going to pick the second model. Then we'll wrap this up. Let's go down here. And okay, so I really like this last style. Let's stay in this exact style. Now I want you to create a complementary image for this next model. No, I don't want you to create an image. I want you to create a complementary prompt. Okay. So what I'm curious about, if it's going to give me stay in this exact style with the same look of the robot. The problem I ran into trying to get images is they don't stay in the same style family. And that's what I'm wanting, is a style family that continues on illustrating these points. So we have the prompt, we're changing the model back to 4.0. I'm putting that prompt in with no other information. So let's see what happens. Okay, so when we compare this, we're close, but the look and feel feels like it's a part of that same style. Even if you're not a creative person, you can quickly get not only your slides made. So we got these great slides that you can hand to someone and use Canva or something to quickly create these slides, but then you can also get complementary images for these slides by just going back and forth between 4.0 and 03. So there you go. Little things that save you time, save you money, help get your ideas across. Let me know if you have any questions. See you in the next video.